Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina back in the Hair Lounge. And guess what? Olaplex has done it again. They have come out with a really amazing new products called their 4-in-1. I hate to break it to you, you cannot do this on yourself. This is only for professionals, but it's so great that I wanted to tell you guys all about it and why you should ask your stylist to do it on your hair. Stay tuned, we'll get right into it. Let's talk all about the Olaplex 4-in-1 mask. So what this is going to do is it's going to really hydrate and smooth your hair. So if you have really dry hair from excessive bleach, or if you have super curly hair and it struggles with keeping or maintaining its smoothness or moisture, this is going to be really great as an added-on service when you go into your hairstylist. You can do this as a standalone treatment or after you do a chemical service. So say you go in, you want those super bright platinum blonde ends or hair, but your ends start feeling super dry and brittle. This is a great added on treatment, and it only has to sit on for 10 minutes. Another great thing about this product is it has no protein in it. A lot of products have protein in it, and your hair does need protein. But if your hair is super dry, damaged, or brittle, sometimes protein can cause more damage. It creates this overly strong hair shaft that can snap or break. So instead, this is going to fill in those gaps in your hair or the roughness of your cuticle and just rehydrate, re-moisture, add shine back into it, and really help the elasticity of your hair. Again, like I said previously, this is only a professional product, so you're not going to be able to find this anywhere online. You will have to ask your hairstylist if she or he has this product to add as an added-on service or just a standalone treatment. So I'm still going to tell you how it needs to be applied. You need to make sure your hair is freshly washed. So my hair is washed, and I did do conditioner. You don't have to, but I did put conditioner on my hair, and my hair has taken a beating from summer, from swimming, so it definitely needs a little added moisture on it. If you guys are enjoying all this knowledge about this Olaplex 4-in-1, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't done so yet, hit the red subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all the support and my lovely Hair Lounge community. All right, let's start adding this onto my hair. It's great because it comes into a pump, and you are going to want to spread this on to your mid shaft all the way to your ends. Again, like I said, this is only going to sit on for 10 minutes. And it smells very similar to all of Olaplex's other products. Not super strong, a slight little floral scent to it, but you can definitely tell my hair really likes it, that it's really kind of soaking up all of that goodness. This is also very highly concentrated, so a little does go a long way, like all of Olaplex's products. But thankfully, since you're going into your hairstylist, she should know how much to apply to your hair. Another great thing about this product is it has 11 amino acids in it, and your hair definitely needs amino acids to stay nice, healthy, strong, and shiny. And so I definitely can tell, like when I'm putting it on my hair, normally when I run my hands down from roughly about here to my ends, they definitely feel dry, straw-like, a little bit more damaged, and my hair is really soaking up all of this product. Then what I like to do is use my wet brush and make sure I get all of that product evenly distributed throughout my hair. And then what I'm going to do is take our lovely shower cap and put all my hair inside this cap and let it sit on for those 10 minutes. This is gonna help this heat from my scalp and keep all of that product off of my clothes. So look at how cute that is. So we're gonna let it sit on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse really, really well. Again, you always want to make sure you're rinsing out all of your hair masks or even conditioners off your hair, or else it will weigh your hair down. Since this product says it adds a lot more body into it, make sure you rinse it well so that way you're getting those great benefits. All right, I'll be back after I rinse.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, I am back. As you can see, as always, Olaplex promises and they deliver. You can see I have tons more shine. I'm not as fuzzy looking. I just did a rough dry like I normally do, so you guys can see the difference. But it definitely lays a lot smoother, but what I really love is I still do have a lot of body. Sometimes when I use moisturizing products, I lose a lot of that body in my hair, but I can tell I still have body. It's not flat up against my head. You can still see I have a little bit of lift, but tons and tons of shine. It doesn't feel fly away. I've noticed my hair has been a little drier because we are getting to the back end of summer, and my blonde takes a little bit of a beating, so I start getting a little frizzy and my hair lacks moisture, so I get super kind of like staticky hair. I do have a video on how to combat that, so if you want to click the link up here, it'll take you on how to combat staticky hair. But this is a way you add moisture back in. So as you can see, it does have a lot of that shine. I can definitely tell when I run my hands down through kind of my hair, those split ends or kind of drier feeling ends, they're laying a lot smoother. So like I said before, it's gonna kind of close that cuticle. The pH balance is a little bit more acidic, and so it definitely seals your cuticle, and that's why you don't notice fuzzy ends. So let's talk about who would really need to have this added on service. If you have super curly hair and you are noticing your curls are not curling as good, or you're losing the shape of your curl, majority of the time, not always, but majority of the time, it's because you're lacking moisture. So you need to add moisture back into it, and this is a great highly concentrated moisture mask that you can do on your hair to help revive those curls. Again, if you are platinum blonde or you use a lot of hair color on your hair, this is another great product for you to add moisture back into your hair. Or maybe you got a perm and your ends are feeling dry and frizzy. This is another great product for those gals or guys that have permed their hair. So like I said, this is not something you can do on yourself. Unfortunately, it is a professional product by Olaplex. Again, reach out to your hairstylist and see if she or he can do it on your hair. As always, do not hesitate to leave any comments down in the box down below if you have any questions whatsoever. And you know what? If you're watching me, why don't you leave me a comment down below and tell me where you're watching from? I like to see kind of where everybody is from and connect with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.